Okay, so I went through my big bag of fish skins that I got from the fishmonger, and I'm pretty happy with the catch of the day. I mean, so I sorted them a little bit, but I have a huge stack of white belly skins, I think. They're a bit small, so I don't know. I mean, I might be a bit lazy because it's going to be a lot of work to clean all of these tiny skins, but if you think about how much chemicals and bleaching goes into getting white materials, it's crazy. So it feels like getting all these white pieces of fish skin is really a gift. Because of course they will take on color well, and you know, it's white for free, so that's great. I got some really nice bigger skins that are really nice and shiny and silvery. Look at those scales. I don't know if it's gonna stay like that. I think this might be salmon skin, but they're really nice and thick and lovely. So I got a few of those. And then I think there's this fish. I don't know enough about fish to actually tell you what everything is, sadly. Sorry about it, but I think this is some kind of fish that must be in season right now. It's rather brown. It's like a brown skin. Oh, this is a bit of a small one. I also have some bigger ones. Like, it's a bit brown, but it has a very nice, very fine pattern on it. So, and I have a lot of them, and they're all the same. So that's also really nice. This feels like it's a bit fragile, so let's see how it comes out of the process. But I have a lot, which is great. And then this is the fish skin that I got from the fish that I bought. So it's also quite a large sheet, pretty thick, very nice fine pattern on it. Yeah, you can see it really well on it. One day I'll show you the sample, and also the back side, which is like a big white sheet. Okay, so I'm not gonna do all of them. I think I'm gonna do the brown ones now, or a few of them, and the rest I'm gonna put in the fridge and then finish tomorrow, because it's quite a lot of work to clean them and scrape them. This process that we're doing is not really a traditional one. It's kind of a updated, easier version. But you could look into traditional recipes that have been developed, like, you know, ages ago, where people tan fish skin with brains. So for example, you know, animal brains, but also urine. You may be a bit disgusted at first, but actually urea, the things found in urine, they're actually really useful for dyeing and tanning. And I mean, if you can get over it, you could give it a shot, I suppose. But those are things you can find in nature. You know, you can find in nature, and you can create those protective clothing and bags that people needed at some point. So I think that's all quite interesting, but we're going to stick to glycerin and alcohol. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to make a cold water bath with dishwashing soap. So soapy bath, cold. I'm going to wash all that gunk off as much as I can, and then I'm going to take them out and scrape the fish skins to really clean them up. I'm going to give that a good head start, and then I'll be back.